Morning, guys. Today we are going to be unboxing Attack of the Clones Count Dooku with slashing lightsaber attack. He is portrayed by the famous Christopher Lee, who many know from the old days from his horror movie films, working with a guy called Terrence. He was also close with with Star Wars: A New Hope's Grand Moff Tarkin actor Peter Cushin. That's right, and I bet you that's what got him to accept Christopher Lee to accept the role of a Sith Lord, Darth Tyrannus, aka Count Dooku, Dark Lord. And what you see right there in that hologram is his master, Darth Sidious, aka Palpatine, along with a green lightsaber, which I don't get. Probably Qui-Gon's, if I had to guess. Or just the one that he knocks out of Anakin's hands during his duel inside the hangar. Ah, man. And I gotta wonder if George Lucas was fascinated by his role as Count Dracula from those old school horror films, which may have been what gave him the idea of coming up with the name Count Dooku. Now, let's check it out. Count Dooku 202-27 must be the series number, must be the movie and the number of the figure. Count Dooku is a disillusioned former Jedi Knight who lost faith in the Republic and abandoned the Jedi Order. Dooku spent 10 years in seclusion honoring his Force abilities, and as his master in the old style of fencing, he wields his scimitar-handled lightsaber with consummate grace. Squeezed together for slashing attacks. Wow. And there you have it. Him communicating with Emperor Palpatine, Darth Sidious. Now, here are the other figures to collect. Jango Fett, Final Battle, Mace Windu, Geonosian Rescue. There's Count Dooku, which I have right here, right now. Now, let's get to work. Unboxing. Let the unboxing begin. Yeah. And they cannot go back to TLNT. They were not equipped. Wow. Nice. Hang on. There we have it. Man. Corey Burton may have been the first actor to voice Dooku, but one good thing is that after Revenge of the Sith, Christopher Lee was able to reprise his role of voicing the character in the animated Star Wars movie called Star Wars: The Clone Wars. The opening leading into the animated series that came out in the fall right after. I enjoyed some of those episodes. Heck, I even enjoyed the episode where Darth Sidious engaged Darth Maul and Savage Opress, mainly because he was honoring the code of the Sith Order, no more than 2, which is also why he had Dooku discard Savage Ventress too, even though she survived. Hang on for a minute. Let's test this out. There. Now again. Because not only do I want careful smoking, no, but also make sure I have to cut it down. Then we go with Sunburst. But should it be more? No, doesn't need to be. It's only because he's oh yeah, one more thing. There we go. Nope, that doesn't fit. This one does. Man. Well, yeah. As for this green lightsaber, I'm not sure why it's in his hands, but it has to belong to Qui-Gon. If I am, or if it could, or it may actually be Dooku's lightsaber back when he was an actual Jedi Master. Heck, if you've guys seen one of the animated episodes that released, Ian McDiarmid reprised his role in voice acting as Darth Sidious, which was great at least. At least he was able to hold on to the mantle through voice acting too, not just live action. Well, It's a pity Christopher Lee died in 2015 in the month of June. He was getting old, and it's a pity. He would have, if he was still alive, he would have been 100 by now. But you can't always hope for the best that come out of everything. Anyway, guys, be sure to give me your thoughts in the comment section below and on the side. Click like, and if you're new, be sure to subscribe to my channel for more videos that are to come. Here at the Avengers Rising. Thank you.